Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps, then Special App Access, and choose Notification Access. Grant access to the Xiaomi notification history or a trusted app. This lets Android record incoming alerts. Once done, make sure the toggle is on for that app. Without it, you won't get history. If you don't see the system option, install a lightweight third-party history app from the App Store and give the same permission so future steps will work. Now you configure the recording behavior. Open the Notification History tool and enable recording, then pick a retention window and which apps to track so the list stays useful. You should enable persistent notification if you want quick access from the shade. Once configured, send a test notification, text, email, or app alert, and then immediately open the history to confirm the entry appears. If it does, you're successfully capturing notifications. If not, recheck permissions and battery settings. Finish by exempting the History app from Xiaomi's battery optimizations and any aggressive power saving. Otherwise, the system may stop logging. Add the History tile to Quick Settings or put the widget on your home screen for fast access. Once configured, test several notifications across apps and check timestamps to ensure continuity. If you find missing entries, first re-grant notification access, then reboot the device. And if problems persist, toggle the app's permissions and disable MIUI optimization.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.